this is the little kit I got from Sally that I told you guys I would probably not talk about, but I might talk about today. It's like a travel kit, and so it has a little comb and brush. Let me just pull that out here. Depending on your preference, you can use the comb or you can use the brush. Either way, it really does come in handy. Let me just put that back in here. And then in here you also get some containers. This long one is a spray bottle, which is really cute. Then you have 2 of these small bottles that are like, you open them and you can put it in your hand, I guess. And I have ideas for that. And then we have these 2 little containers. They're cute. What I like about this kit is right in here, this is so cute, it comes with label stickers. Like, so if you have something for shampoo or cleanser or conditioner or shower gel or toner or what is that? 20 10 mil. And then over here you have cleanser, you have eye makeup remover, moisturizer, body lotion. These are really cool to have for labels, and I have some ideas about what I want to do. So in here I want to make a lip scrub for one of these small containers, and then if I can find something, I would like to do maybe a moisturizer if I can find that. So I don't know. This spray bottle, I don't know exactly what I'm going to do yet, but I don't know. I mean, I haven't really decided on it, but I want to do something DIY-ish. So I can have this as like a DIY travel kind of just kit, because there's got to be ways. I am going to be following some Pinterest recipes when I do this, so I'll just show you once they have been made up and like what is used for it, so that you guys know. Yeah, so I have the honey here, and I have the brown sugar, because we're going to take this little bowl and we're going to make the lip scrub first, or the lip exfoliator. That's what we're going to make first and put in one of those little containers. Okay. So we put a teaspoon of honey, or 2 teaspoons, or we put 2 teaspoons of coffee grounds in this bowl. Next, I'm going to go in with the honey and put 2 teaspoons of that in here. And then you can... Guys, so in this bowl, I had the honey and the coffee grounds, and I think there's still a little piece left in there that I'll get out. But here's the finished product. It's in this little travel thing, and it's really good. And I think you'll be able to get a couple uses out of this. I really don't think you'll need a lot of this, but it's a travel size. So, that is so cool. Like, seriously. I'm going to get this last bit out, and we're going to move on to the next DIY. This little container is closed up and done and ready. And then we get to move on to the next thing. And I'm going to see if we have some tomato juice, because now I want to make a brightening mask. And tomato juice together. And this is going to be the brightening mask.
It's a restaurant.
So I've stirred it up, and you know, this is supposed to be a face. And we use this little tablespoon here for the tomato juice in order to get the right amount that we needed to put together. So this is cool. And I haven't decided what I'm going to put it in yet of this little box. I don't know yet. Shoot. So I'm going to have to think. What do I want to do? I thought about putting it in one of these little bottles, but I don't know. I had some left over in this bowl. But I did get the the milk and tomato juice into this little container. It's not as full, but it's full enough. I used this syringe, so it was kind of weird, but we got it. So now that we have the tightening mask and the brightening mask done, we're gonna pick our next thing to go with. Okay, guys, so we have.
Take your bow.
Okay, well, hang on. Wait, I was showing something. We have the brown sugar, the honey, and the coconut oil in there. And now my grandma's gonna go put lukewarm water. I'm gonna put the lip scrub into one of these small containers like I did this one mask. Because it's small and convenient. And then right here I have the milk and tomato juice mask in this little bottle. And then I have to find out what I want to use the spray bottle for and the other small bottle like this. So I'll find some other masks ideas. There's the coconut oil, honey, and brown sugar, and whatever I said that I needed in here, all mixed up. And I'm going to try to put it in this little container, and I'm going to go and try to use the syringe again. Alright, so here is the lip scrub. It's very soft. Maybe I should have done a different formula, but I think it'll work. It's more like a shiner for your lips, to be honest. I'll show you my lips. As you can see, my lips look very shiny. I'm trying to get in the light here. So, I think it's more like a shiner, and they feel really moisturized to me. Very comfortable. I like it. So I decided that I was going to make a hair deal, and it's just all we need is coconut oil. So my grandma's helping me clean out one of these little containers that had the lip scrub in it, and we're gonna put it in one of these bottles like this, and I'll use Q-tips for it. So that's gonna be what we're gonna put the coconut oil. That's what we're going to be to put the coconut oil into, and this is the tightening face mask. So I'm excited. This is going to be the cutest little kit ever, and I'm enjoying it and excited. Now this one, I don't know what I'll do with it yet. This is the last bottle that I have, and I don't know what I'll use for it yet, but I'll figure it out, and it'll be fun. Pretty much that I'm going to show you guys is we're going to start with this bottle, which is, this is a face mask. It is made from milk and tomato juice. It is to brighten your skin overnight. I'm going to have to do some reading on how to do this, as I just apply it to the face and leave it overnight and then rinse my face in the morning or what. I don't know, but I'll do my research. In this other small bottle, this is a lip exfoliator made from brown sugar, honey, and coconut oil, and whatever else I said in the video before. I cannot remember each at the bat right now. And here is another face mask to tighten skin made from coffee grinds and brown sugar. No, coffee grounds and honey, I'm sorry. And then in this last one is a deal that I just got done making for hair. I'm going to try this and see how well the curls work. It's made from some of my mother's curling gel that we get from Walmart. As you can see, curl shape defining spray gel, and we put some hot water. It says boiling, but we put really hot water in it. Shook it up vigorously, so that's why it kind of looks like this. And I'm gonna try it and see if it works. So this is sort of my little kind of essential face routine kind of thing, and I have a comb in here. That'll come in handy when I try this hair stuff. But yeah, it's really awesome to finally have these supplies. I'm excited. So yeah, thanks for watching as I do this weird little video of what I got from Sally's and how I made it a DIY special. And I'll see you guys in the next video. But I actually wanted to add in this little clip real quick because I just finished organizing the kit. I'm gonna call this my face and hair routine kit for small stuff. I can easily make more of it, because we have stuff around the house, but it's not gonna go that quickly, I don't think. So let's get into it. In here I do have the comb for combing and brushing my hair when I use the elixir, what the heck is wrong with me? For when I use the hair stuff that I made, and I'll get to that in a minute. Right here, we have the milk and tomato juice mixture. This is like I said, the milk and tomato juice mask. And it's really good. I put it on my face a couple times to make sure it was good, applied well, and that I liked it. It makes my skin really soft, and I think it's going to be very glowing. In here is the lip exfoliator mix, and kind of like a gloss. I love it because it's more like a gloss. Right here, we have the hair gel that's supposed to make curls and make them last a little longer. It's just my favorite gel and water. Right here, I have a mixture of coffee grinds and the other ingredient that was used to make the coffee grind mixture for my face as well, to make my skin tighten and everything. And then right here is just another extra thing that has a cotton ball that I might use until I'm ready to throw it away from the milk and tomato mixture. So, and that is my kit. And then of course I have all these cotton balls as extra ones until I'm ready to get a new one. So this is my kit for my skin and hair, and I like it. And it's a nice travel size, so I can take it with me and use it. And I like it. If you guys would like to see a video on me using, say, the tomato and milk mask, let me know and I'll do that. And even the exfoliator / gloss, I like to call it, and a hair product. And even the tightening one. So I'm excited. So as I said at the last clip, thanks for watching the video. Like this video and subscribe to my channel for more.